Hello good guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to guide you how to pass a data to the HTML template file in Django project. You need to open your previous created project in the VS Code or any choice of your editor. So here in this video I am going to guide how to pass a data to the same HTML file studentmarks.html. So let me create some data. So I am going to create a dictionary data here. I have done it. So after creating this dictionary data, it's good practice to we need to zip this one. So we are going to zip this data. So I'm writing zip inside the zip function. I'm going to write a student's marks of name, that key that you are passing, then comma, then a student mark square bracket, then key reg number, then comma, then a student marks square bracket, then key is marks. We are going to zip it and key store back into the same variable, means I am going to change back. You can create another variable, but I am going to update the same variables here. You can see here. Hope all is well. Let me check a student marks indent. Okay, indent problem. So let me check the indent. Okay, indent was issues. You know, this indent is very important to know. It is inside the function, class, or whatever in the blocks. So I have done here. So what will happen, this zip function will zip the list item of each key, because this is a name key, this is a list item of the key. Okay, so they will zip it and they will convert into the iterable tuple. Now I am going to pass this student marks student. So in dictionary it's good practice to send this data into dictionary format. So a student marks, you can give any name. This one here I am going to write a student marks, same name, then I am going to pass this one zip data. So you can see it become a key. This is dictionary and this is a zip data, which is a iterable tuple I am passing through. So this is a way we have passed the data to this HTML template file. Now since this data is being passed to the student marks.html file, we are going to use this template file which is here, open it, and we need to see how to iterate, because this is a list of data which is in dictionary we are going to iterate. So I am going to use for loop to iterate the data. So using the for loop, we'll use the opening braces, percentage, we write a for loop, and we write some variables. Since this dictionary data bringing the three keys data, name, reg number, and a marks, so we are going to for loop, we are going to write a name. Any variable you can take, but it's good practice to use the same name, reg number, comma, marks, in which this one, this is a this dictionary. Okay, so we can copy and we can use this one here as this one. So now this will read theory, you know, they will read the as I told you, this zip function result in an iterable tuple where each tuple contains the corresponding element from each list. You can see in dictionary we have a corresponding element each list. This is a list, this is another list of name, this is another list of the mark. So this will keep, this zip function will result into iterable tuple as I told you. So now when we go to this, because we are passing this data, we are passing this data to this student marks.html template file. So we are here. So now we need to iterate using that key of dictionary. So when we are going to this one, so what it happens, you know, so the first tuple will contain the first element of each list. So you can go there, this will return first element of each list. This loop is going to iterate first element of each list. So this, you can you see, this is a list, another one in the dictionary, this is another list in the dictionary, this is another list in dictionary. So first record of each list, so first time in first iteration they will return David, they will return 2001, they will return 68. In the second iteration they will return John, then to 2002 and 75, and so on. So what we are going to, that's why we are going to store this iteration name, which is the first item of the tuple of the each list. Okay, see reg number, mark. Now we are going to end the loop, ending the loop, and for, we can say end for loop. We can remove the extra tags here which is included automatically. Okay, column. Now between this for loop we need to print the name and all. So I'm going to print the names, like I'm saying, the when to print any variable, write the double opening double curly braces and closing braces. So I'm writing name. Let me write another one here, double, write reg number. Then we can say here another, call the, are you together? So we can here run and we can going, so we have already iterated. Let's go and check how it appears on the when we run in the browser. So I am going to the URL. We going to know why I'm going URL, to know what is the URL of this that we have mapped with this view. You can see we have mapped a student mark with a student marks view, which is this one. So I'm going to open, make sure your development server is running. You can see mine development server is running. So I'm going to open this one here. I'm going to open here. Don't worry about this error. This is the index. I'm not bothered about the index. Save it. I'm going to run here a student marks. You can see they are printing David, blah blah blah, John, blah blah, Muhammad, John, and Alex. But this is not a better presentation to display the data. This is not a way to display the data. So what we need to do it, we have seen, the data is being passed. You can see all data are here, but we are going to present this data in the tabular form. To do that, we are going to include in the views table. To do that one, we can include the table. So we can say table is tag, can have a border, simple one border, close the table. In the table can have a row, table row, and this row can have a header. So you can you can use it, though I'm writing th. In this one, the first one can have a name, first one can have a th name, then we can close this th, then second one can have a table header, reg number, then we can close this th, then this one, third one can have a th opening, then we can have a marks, then we can close this th as well, this for header. Now this you can see, this th header, this row I'm keeping outside the for loop, because this should be displayed only once at the top. So we should not put within a loop. Now inside the loop, you can say this is the actual data we are printing. So we can put, we can integrate this one, embed within another tr. So we are writing here tr. A row can have another tr close. In this tr can have a different td. So how many td? 3. So opening, closing, let me do it. I will copy paste. So I'm going to copy and paste to here. Name should appear in the first column. I'm cutting, cut, paste, cut. Second will be appear in the second. Are you getting me, guys? So now here, if you have any question, you can put in the comments. I will be happy to answer your question. Now this row iterating till data exists, or fine. So after this for loop, we need to close the table. Simple. This is a simple table structure, guys. You can enhance it using the th, t body, t head, all those things. So let me save this one. I'm going to rerun this. Since my server is running, I'm going to rerun this. So you can see I have displayed the same data in the tabular form. So guys, hope you enjoyed these videos. If you have any other questions regarding this video, put in the comments. I will be happy to answer your questions. So next video I will teach you how to include the statistics file in your Django project. See you. Bye bye. Take care. May God bless you.